here from X Media Woodworks. It is August the 31st. This is a vidlog for the Great Guitar Build Off. Today I really didn't get much of anything done here. I alluded in my last video that I had some health concerns that may or may not keep me from going back to work, and indeed they are. So we're having to rethink a few things and worry a little bit about some monetary concerns, which will not really affect this build so much, except for the update that I really wanted to do, which was to go with gold machine heads and knobs and bridge, because I think the gold would really set this off nicely. Let me know what you think about that. Still haven't named the shop cat. Of course, we still don't know if we're going to keep it yet, because we've been waiting to see if anybody actually owns it. There are a lot of community cats around here, but there have been quite a few strays, so we don't know yet. If someone claims it, then so be it. If not, then the naming will go on in earnest. Let me know what you think. That's it for today. I'm going to get back into doing a few other odds and ends. Don't forget to go check out the Great Guitar Build Off. Here's the website. And I'm going to get back to designing a cabinet for this base for when it is functional. I've got ideas for a 4 10-inch cabinet, kind of similar to this little build I've got over here for a practice amp. And I'll do a future build on that one. I think I've got some footage of it. If nothing else, I know I've got stills. I can put together a quick idea where that was. That's basically a kit, and that's through Parts Express as well. So that's another place you might want to go check out. Some great stuff, great stuff to go check out and get into building something. And that's what this is all about, being creative. So stay upright, breathing, and be creative. See ya.